Welcome to Quiltcraft. Today we'd like to give you a tour of our factory so you can see behind the scenes and how we manufacture window treatments and bedding here in Dallas, Texas.
Our warehouse is about 119,000 square feet with a staff that varies between 100 to 140. The factory is broken into roughly 7 departments, and today we're going to give you a brief look at each one of them.
We have the capacity to manufacture around one hotel's worth, or 150 rooms, of window treatments every day, making about 5 to 6 hotels a week. And the process starts here, in our receiving department.
This is where fabrics live, whether customer-owned materials or Quiltcraft supplied, until manufacturing begins. Every day, we accept deliveries of raw materials arriving from all over the world. Once the product is identified to a specific project, it has about 24 hours to be inspected and received into our digital inventory. It's then tagged by project and given a bin location for easy identification.
The manufacturing process begins in the cutting department. We do cutting using a variety of tools and techniques to efficiently use each roll and minimize waste. Our shade cutting table, which utilizes XY axis computer programming, allows for us to cut around 500 shades worth of fabric per day. It also has the capability through ultrasonic welding to prevent fraying of the fabric edges.
Ooh, fancy.
I know. Next, we move to the metal cutting department for both drapery hardware and roller shade components. We have about 4,000 SKUs for the different variations of metal for the roller shades and hardware components. And everything is cut down to the 1/8 of an inch. It's often the quietest part of the factory.
Really?
No, no it's not. Once everything is cut to the correct dimensions, the drapery hardware is assembled here with the correct carriers for each pleat style. The batons are packed with the hardware and each piece is labeled with the appropriate room number.
Once the metal for the roller shades is cut, it is married up in our roller shade department with the fabric we cut earlier. Roller shades have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and this department has grown quickly as a result. Motorization in hotel rooms has also become a growing trend, so we've spent time perfecting motorized roller shades using Somfy technology. Whether it's a Pfeiffer fabric or a fabric from our own collection, all roller shades are made from start to finish in this building.
While the drapery hardware is being cut and assembled, the drapes that fit each piece of hardware are also being made. The individual fabric cuts move up the line and at each station get closer to becoming a finished drape. Throughout the entire process of production, each drape has a tag that identifies it to a particular project and a particular window. The drapes are then pressed, inspected, folded, bagged, and placed in boxes, ready to be shipped out the door.
The other product that we provide is custom bedding, including but not limited to bed skirts, box spring covers, cushions, and decorative pillows. This department is prized for executing complex and unique products to fit a variety of styles. With custom fabrics and detailed specifications, we can create almost anything that you envision.
Without every person in this factory's dedication and meticulous attention to detail, we wouldn't be able to provide custom-made window treatments and bedding to a whole host of customers across the country. We hope you enjoyed this look behind the scenes at our factory, and we can't wait to help on your next project.
See you later!